Hi there, everybody. AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and glad you're here once again. It's great to be with you. Happy Friday, and the weekend is upon us. We're going to have a look at our forecast heading into the weekend. It could be a little bit unsettled at times. Let's first of all have a look at our crib cam, and this is from the City of Cleveland Water Division, apparently at your service. And a little bit of a chop out there today. That looks interesting. But cloud cover is thicker than we've seen. Sun was tough to find, not just today, but even yesterday. Well, yesterday was so gorgeous. One of the most spectacular days I think we've had in a long, long time here in Northeast Ohio. Guess we kind of had to pay the price for that a little bit today. But for the most part, uh, it's looking a little unsettled. Not a complete washout for the weekend, but definitely enough cloud cover and rain around to perhaps put a damper on some of your outdoor plans. So you'll have to keep checking on radar, and we are going to look at that. Speaking of radar, the showery weather heading off to the east right now, basically east of Cleveland into Ashtabula County, down into Trumbull County and Mahoning County, some heavier rain, perhaps even some thunder embedded there. But most backyards west of the Cuyahoga are looking pretty dry right now, perhaps a few spotty showers. And that's just about it. Meantime, from outer space, this is satellite imagery. A lot of cloud cover around today. You may see a peak or two of the sun earlier, but really, for the most part, we were awash in cloud cover, not awash in rain, but spectacular sunshine. You have to go west of about Chicago. There is a front right here. Pretty easy to make out, right? I mean, you can really see the back edge of the cloud cover there. Unfortunately, this system is moving very slowly, so we're not expecting to see much in the way of sunshine into the weekend. There will be some sunny breaks from time to time, but unfortunately, that's the best we can do. Radar west of here showing spotty showers out toward Toledo, south into Findlay, perhaps, and a line of thundery weather that's developing associated with the cold front itself. So we'll show you the maps in motion here momentarily, but the best weather today by far is up into Wisconsin and parts of Minnesota. Those folks could certainly use a break, considering all the bad weather that they've had recently. From the Atlantic into the Caribbean and out into the Gulf of Mexico, it's pretty quiet, high pressure in control. So here are the maps in motion. Cold front is right here. This is the map expected tonight, showing the cold front trying to enter northwest Ohio. A very, very slow moving system. You can see by Saturday morning, this is tomorrow morning, the front becomes quasi-stationary. It's what meteorologists call these fronts. Quasi meaning nothing is ever truly stagnant, so quasi. Always a fun word, but you can see it kind of fizzles out a little bit here. So tomorrow morning might be the best chance of being dry. Now, if you're doing your outdoor plans, and if you have the capability to do something earlier rather than later, that might be the best way to go. Some showery, thundery weather is expected to develop tomorrow afternoon during the heat of the day. The front gets a little bit more invigorated here tomorrow night. High pressure is firmly controlled over the upper plain states, so it will start to move that front slowly. This is Sunday morning, and you can see there's a little wave of low pressure developing along that front on Sunday morning, so we have to keep the potential for some showers going. Tonight, no surprise here. There is a chance for some showers and maybe even rumbles of thunder. This is not a washout situation by any means, but you may want to keep tabs on radar if your outdoor plans would be affected by raindrops, light northeast winds at 5 to 7 miles an hour. So how about for tomorrow? Well, unfortunately, mostly cloudy skies will prevail. It'll be a breezy day eventually. By the afternoon, the winds really pick up with gusto out of the southeast, initially sustained about 5 to 15 miles per hour, but then wind gusts close to 30 in the afternoon, not out of the question. With rip-roaring winds out of the southeast, temperatures topping out in the mid-70s. Sunrise tomorrow morning, incidentally, nice and early for those of you who like to be up early. That is definitely not me. 6:20. I know that's the healthy thing to do, is to get up early to enjoy that sunrise, but uh, I enjoy the sunset a lot more. Here's the extended outlook. Sunday, an unsettled day, 72. Looks like the best we can do, but that's still above normal for this time of the year. Average highs are in the mid 60s, upper 60s, really, for this time of the year. Overnight low Sunday night down to 52. You can see those overnight low temperatures not getting anywhere near freezing. So uh, folks are going to want to start sticking stuff in the ground. We usually say around Mother's Day is the best time to begin to do that, but that's only not even, 2 weeks away now. Right, moms? Gosh, I hope I've got the right date there, mothers. Anyway, 70 on Monday. That looks like the pick of the next several days. Monday's high near 70, no chances for rain. Then the probability that we're going to get rained or thundered on will pick up Tuesday and Wednesday. Highs in the mid to upper 70s, maybe even near 80 on Wednesday, with a chance for a shower or a thunder shower. The high topping out, as mentioned, close to 80 degrees. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thanks again so much for watching me and watching my forecast, and hope to see you here real soon again. Take care.